In this quick guide, you'll learn how to find monthly dividend stocks on Moomoo. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding how to locate stocks that pay monthly dividends can be a game changer for your portfolio. So, let's get started and explore how you can easily find these stocks using the Moomoo app. First things first, you'll want to open up the Moomoo app on your device. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the home screen of the app, which is your gateway to all the financial information and tools Moomoo has to offer. Next, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. You'll notice a menu bar with several options. Tap on the one labeled Markets. This section of the app is your key to exploring various market data and insights, and is exactly where we need to be to find those monthly dividend stocks. Once you're in the Markets section, the next move is to navigate to the Dividend Rankings section. This is where Moomoo compiles a list of stocks that pay dividends, ranked based on various criteria. It's a valuable resource for any dividend-focused investor. Now, here's where the magic happens. You'll want to swipe to the right until you come across the option labeled Dividend Frequency. This feature allows you to filter the stocks based on how often they pay dividends, which is exactly what we're looking for. Once you see Dividend Frequency, go ahead and select Monthly. By doing this, you are filtering the list to show only those stocks that issue dividends on a monthly basis. This is particularly useful for investors who prefer a steady income stream, as monthly paying stocks can help smooth out the cash flow from your investments. Now that you've applied the filter, you can browse through the list of stocks that meet your criteria. Take your time to explore the different options available. As you scroll through, you might want to pay attention to other factors like the stock's performance, yield, and any other metrics that are important to your investment strategy. And that's it! You've successfully navigated through the Moomoo app to find stocks that pay monthly dividends. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently identify potential investments that align with your financial goals. Remember, while monthly dividends can provide regular income, it's important to consider the overall health and performance of the companies you're investing in. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now more confident in using Moomoo to enhance your investment strategy. If you enjoyed this guide, be sure to check out other tutorials to help you make the most of your investment journey. Happy investing!